Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, y'all, we are gonna be doing some scary makeup. I went to Walmart, I got this transparent FX skin makeup kit. This was $5.98. That's a bit expensive, y'all, but we gonna see what it's doing. Then I got the white makeup. This was $1.26. And then I got the zombie blood, and this was $2.48. So let's get into it, y'all. I'm excited. Okay, so going in with the FX skin makeup, and it came with the white, black, and like a nude color. So we're gonna see what it's giving, y'all. We're gonna see if it's easy to work with. So I'm gonna start off with the white makeup, and I'm gonna just put it all over my face using one of these little applicators. So I haven't done Halloween makeup in a minute. I actually really like doing Halloween makeup on my daughter, but she gets like the little small stuff like a cat or like little stuff that I only have to draw with like mascara. This is gonna be very, very interesting to see what happens. Okay, so I'm going in with the white makeup. All right, y'all, we're just gonna go in with it like so. And like I said, y'all, I've been feeling very like creative. My creative juice has been like flowing. Ever since we went to Halloween Horror Night, I've been wanting to do like a little, fun makeup look. So I was like, why not try it? Got some time before Halloween, so you might as well see if I can do it, because I might be wearing this for Halloween if it comes out like I wanted to. Okay, y'all, I think we're getting somewhere. Like, it's definitely giving like it's gonna be scary, or maybe I'm just too confident. Yeah, I think this is kind of crazy that it doesn't tell you how to apply it. Like, do you use your hands? Do you use this thing? This is obviously for this kit because it came out of that kit, but this little white makeup doesn't tell you how to apply it, but it surely tells you how to take it off, and if you have an allergic reaction, what to do. But yeah, we'll see, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I am going in with a old school palette. And it's just because it has like all the good colors in there. We're gonna go in with You're Kidding Me red, and then we're gonna also use the Spooky black because I need that, okay? I'm gonna take a regular brush and get the black, and we're gonna just kind of blend that in the corner of the eye, just to kind of make it look a little scary. And I'm just trying to make this as dark as I can, because once I add the red on there, it'll kind of make it like really dark, like a dark red. And you kind of want to go up to like right here to your nose area. Now I'm gonna go in with the red. Yeah, I didn't want to use any of my good brushes. So if you have like a dollar store or Walmart, girl, you better go get you some of them little cheap brushes, or go to the dollar store. I recommend going to the dollar store, getting a cheap brush set, because I'm not gonna mess up my good brushes for this. I won't, okay? I'm just not gonna do it. And you guys want to make sure you also put this at the bottom of the eye as well. So y'all know that's where it's gonna be a problem, because y'all know I'm very sensitive about my eyes, okay? So we're gonna see how this is gonna work out for sis. I'm gonna go in with the white makeup at the bottom using a Q-tip, because it just makes sense. Like, I don't want this like, no. And yeah, look at that, beautiful. All right, y'all, we're gonna see if this flat brush work. I thought I had like a yellow type paintbrush. I can't find it, y'all. So we're just gonna see if this, oh, okay, it's doing something. Yeah, I think this actually put it on way better than what that sponge was doing. So if you could get one of those paintbrushes, or if you got a makeup brush that looks like a paintbrush, I think that would be way better. Just realized that's what the blood was for, so that we didn't have to use eyeshadow. Okay, y'all, opening up the blood. Oh my gosh, it really looks like blood. So I'm gonna use a regular brush. Yeah, I'm so scared. Okay. Ooh. Let's open up this blood from the packet and see, because this blood is a bit dark. Oh, this one is red. All right, we're gonna use both. So I'm gonna go in with this brush and I'm gonna just squeeze a little bit of this blood out. Oh wow. Okay, I like this blood too. Um, Ew, this one is like thick blood. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's very thick. Like, it's crazy. So with this, you kind of just want to. Oh my gosh. Yo. Okay, wait. Wait. Yeah, I'm no artist. Okay. So let me just say that. I'm going in with my MAC red A10 lipstick. This is, y'all, if you need a lipstick for fall, get into this right here. Okay? MAC lipsticks never disappoint. Y'all, I gotta fix this one right here because it's giving a little crazy. Hold on. I don't think I went out enough with that one. But that's okay, because you know what? I'm gonna cover it up. Y'all, we're just gonna see what it's gonna give, okay? Oh my gosh. They don't tell you that this thing is so hard to use. Like, I gotta put some blood and stuff over it. Like, make it look really crazy. Trying to make it look like somebody like did something to my face to where I kind of like just ripped apart, and then I'm over here like stitching my face back up to make it look like nothing's wrong with me, but really it is. Yeah, I'm just playing this movie out of my head, and I gotta just make the blood look a little bit believable. I'm gonna go underneath my eyes and do the little smoky stuff, and then we're going to finish this off. And I'm just going with the red, nothing crazy, y'all. We're gonna go in with the black. All right, y'all, let's see